Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the silver price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the monthly chart, we have here three waves towards the upside ABC, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. Your wave 1 in the yellow scenario might be of course a contracting diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, and of course finishing all these waves in a zigzag form of course for every single wave of this contracting diagonal. A, B, and a C, A, B, C, and of course the same for your wave 3 is the same for your wave 4, and continuation to the upside for of course one final wave 5 in zigzag form as an A, B, and a C. In this scenario, the blue one, where we are looking for a wave A, probably you are looking for three waves down again for your wave B here, and then you're looking as well for an impulse towards the upside for a wave C here. It is very possible that this can be counted of course as an impulse, finishing this ABC in the blue count, meaning of course you would like to seek after another three waves toward the downside, because three waves up, three waves down, and then continuation 5 waves for higher, right? These are the Elliott wave rules, right? For a bigger flat here, we have three waves down, three waves up, three waves down, and then 5 waves up for a regular flat, of course, in case we are moving down first, and then continuation toward the upside later on. So basically now the price action is in between this area, of course, which is in confluence with your wave 4, which it might have been bottomed so far with the wave 4, and now we're looking for an ABC, much higher possibility I would say for an A, B, and a C toward the upside. If we take a closer look here on the weekly chart inside this area, we can see that this might be an impulse, of course, toward the upside, finishing a wave A. As you can see, we have 1, 2, and then probably 3, 4, and a 5 here. This is your wave 5, probably, of course, in leading ending diagonal. And of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Then you're looking for a wave B after it, where you see three waves down, three waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Again, leading diagonal, ending diagonal for a wave C here. So moving again here, what we have of course a lot of overlapping here. It's a little bit not easy to count an impulse here, but basically if we move a little bit closer in the daily, we can see probably something else. So we are looking, if we take this as 1, 2, or 1 ABC as a wave 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 did not interfere your wave 1, which is exactly lower. This price action belongs to your wave 2. So yeah, potentially, I know that it's not nice to see anyway the wave 4 interfering with wave 1 or 2. Yeah, and then moving toward the upside. Yeah, so that might of course be considered a little bit tricky. But in case this is a 1, 2, and then yeah, maybe your wave 2 is even longer here, because what you get here is not a clear impulse as well. It's just 1 or 3 waves toward the upside, one leg. A, B, and a C for a wave 2, meaning 1, 2, and then you're looking right now for a clear impulse here, yeah, where your wave 4 did not interfere with your zone 1. However, your wave 1 looks a little bit 3 wavy toward the upside, which I don't like it as well. It looks a little bit doubtful. Yeah, so as an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, it might be, of course, it might be even bigger, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now we have, of course, here a wave 4. If we dive a little bit deeper inside it, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And the wave 4, yeah, but interfering again with the zone 1. Therefore, 3 waves. Not possible as well. Unless, let's see other possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. There is another possibility here. It could be that your wave 2 here is W, X, and Y. Your W is a zigzag, X is another zigzag, and your Y here might be, of course, another flat somehow like this. Very choppy flat, by the way, but it might be. It can be. Let's take it as possibility. So we're gonna add 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 in case we have double 1, 2s here. So this is your white scenario, and this is gonna be in sub-micro. Here we go. So in this case, you're looking, of course, for 3, 4, 5 in the top here. Now another 1, 2 can be the following 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, ABC for wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 5. Finishing an impulse wave 1, probably you're looking for 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now this scenario is, of course, the lower scenario. Here we go. And let's put it a little bit in gray. Now your wave 2, not sure if your wave 2 has finished or not. It can be, of course, still moving toward the downside. Remember that you're looking as well here at an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this is kind of like, yeah, telling us that this is a zigzag, A, B, and a C toward the downside, very possible as A, B, and a C for your wave 2. Here we go. So these are the possibilities, guys, for impulse in case we are impulsive. Now, of course, because as you saw that the choppiness of these waves were not giving 100% possibility, because this wave here as 1, 2 is doubtful a little bit, especially with this price action. Therefore, of course, we have to take into consideration probably here for a bigger A, B, and a C, probably finishing this wave B in the bearish scenario. Yeah, so we have to consider, of course, that the possibility that we are corrective here rather than impulsive. So if we go back a little bit here on the weekly, what if we are in a bigger A, 3 waves up, A, and let me draw it for you guys, A, and then B, and then C toward the upside, yeah? What if? So what if this is a corrective wave B toward the upside, as we can see here in this scenario for this wave B? Let me put it a little bit bigger as well. Here we go. Yeah. What if this possibility is playing right now as A, B, and a C? Yeah. Now your wave C has to be, of course, impulsive or a contracting diagonal. So one of these possibilities, contracting ending diagonal, is also a very big possibility in bearish scenario. Meaning, if you are in a contracting diagonal, which is very possible because of the zigzags that we see here, it might be, of course, finishing a wave B, guys. And that is very interesting. Yeah, so probably one more wave toward the upside can be very, very, I would say, very possible. But we have to be careful with it. Yeah? We have to be careful because, of course, if we are double 1, 2, then the wave 3 might reach the high. Now, in this case scenario, if we are an ending diagonal toward the upside for wave B, meaning you might move for A, B, and a C toward the downside. Yeah. In this case scenario, let's move back to the daily and target a wave 5 in case you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as contracting diagonal. Meaning, what if you are here in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5? Here we go for a wave B, right? So let's put this also with the same almost color. And yeah, in this case scenario, you're looking then for a wave 5 target taken from the wave 3 here based on the wave 4 and wave 5 as a diagonal. Here we go. This is your contracting diagonal target for a wave 5. Yeah, very, very possible scenario, guys. And that because of the choppy waves. Yeah, choppy waves here. This might be, of course, a zigzag. Another correction, it doesn't matter, but another zigzag here as well. A, B, and a C. Very, very clear 3 waves. Another zigzag down, and one more toward the upside. Yeah. So this might be, of course, the scenario for the silver, guys, between bullish and bearish. I know it took a little bit longer time, but yes, this is very interesting possibilities. If we reach this, we have to estimate if we see 5 ways toward the downside, 3 ways up, and continuation breaking this level, meaning, of course, we're moving for lower prices for a wave B, probably. That was it for silver. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.